What if there's a part of our planet where the laws of nature seem to break? A place so dangerous it swallows ships and planes without a trace? The Bermuda Triangle has haunted human imagination for over a century. But is this mysterious stretch of ocean truly a deadly trap, or just a myth born from misunderstanding? If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. What you're about to hear may change how you see one of the world's most mysterious locations. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. The 3 points that traditionally mark its boundaries are Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. This triangular area spans over 500,000 square miles of open sea. The term Bermuda Triangle was first coined in 1964 by writer Vincent Gaddis, and since then, it has been associated with dozens of incidents involving vanishing aircraft and missing vessels. Some reports claim that more than 1,000 lives have been lost here over the past century. But is the number truly extraordinary compared to other parts of the ocean? That's where the real debate begins. To understand the mystery, we must first understand what's been reported and what may have been exaggerated. The mystery gained mainstream attention with the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945. A group of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers vanished during a routine training mission, along with the rescue plane sent to find them. No wreckage was ever recovered. Another infamous case is the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship that disappeared in 1918 with over 300 people aboard. Then there's the case of the SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963 and the British Tudor Star Tiger in 1948. These incidents have common traits: sudden radio silence, unexplained navigational issues, and complete lack of debris. Theories range from violent storms and rogue waves to magnetic anomalies and even alien abductions. But what do the records actually say? Despite its reputation, many scientists argue there's nothing unusual about the Bermuda Triangle. One leading explanation involves sudden weather shifts. This region is known for violent storms, hurricanes, and unpredictable waterspouts that can tear ships apart in minutes. Some researchers point to methane hydrate eruptions from the seafloor, which can reduce water density and cause ships to sink rapidly without a trace. Others suggest magnetic anomalies could interfere with navigation instruments, confusing pilots and leading to crashes. These theories may seem dry compared to alien abductions or time portals, but they are grounded in observable phenomena. Could the truth simply be a mix of rare but natural events happening in a busy shipping lane? For those who aren't satisfied with natural causes, the Bermuda Triangle has become a magnet for the paranormal. Some believe the area is home to a time portal or a rift in space-time where ships and planes vanish into another dimension. Others point to alien abductions, citing UFO sightings and strange lights reported by pilots. One of the most enduring legends connects the triangle to the lost city of Atlantis. According to this theory, ancient technology, perhaps crystal energy still active beneath the ocean, is interfering with modern instruments. While there's no physical evidence to support these claims, they've captured imaginations for decades and inspired countless books, documentaries, and conspiracy theories. Modern technology has allowed researchers to look at the Bermuda Triangle with new eyes. GPS tracking, satellite mapping, and deep-sea drones have revealed that this region doesn't have more disappearances than any other heavily traveled area of the ocean. In fact, a 2013 study by the Worldwide Fund for Nature did not list the Bermuda Triangle among the most dangerous shipping lanes. Lloyd's of London, a major insurance firm, confirms ships don't pay higher rates to travel through the area. Statistically, most incidents have logical explanations: human error, mechanical failure, and unpredictable weather. The mystery may be more about media amplification than reality. Still, the lack of solid answers keeps public curiosity alive. Despite all rational explanations, some testimonies from pilots and sailors paint a stranger picture. One of the most famous accounts comes from Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that vanished during a training mission in 1945. The squadron leader reportedly radioed in a panic, saying the ocean looked strange and their compasses were malfunctioning. A rescue plane sent to find them also vanished. Other pilots have described white haze, sudden instrument failure, or being lost in time. Some sailors report eerie calm and distorted clouds. Whether these are exaggerations, hallucinations, or something unexplained, they add human drama to the legend, reminding us how little we truly know about the ocean. While some scientists point to natural explanations, there's a far more provocative layer to the Bermuda Triangle mystery: the conspiracies. One of the most persistent theories is that the area houses a secret underwater alien base, explaining the sudden disappearances and technological malfunctions reported by pilots and sailors. Others believe the US government has hidden advanced military experiments in the region, such as time distortion fields or stealth technology gone awry. Then there's the belief that the lost city of Atlantis lies buried beneath the sea floor, its crystal energy still active and capable of interfering with electronic instruments. Though no evidence has confirmed any of these, their persistence in popular culture shows just how much we crave an explanation that's bigger than nature. These theories don't just entertain, they reflect humanity's deep suspicion of the unknown and the boundaries of science. Whether it's aliens, time portals, or ancient energy, these conspiracies fuel the Bermuda Triangle's legendary status. The Bermuda Triangle mystery isn't just about what's happening in the water. It's also a mirror of our minds. Psychologists suggest that the legend endures because it taps into our deepest fears: losing control, vanishing without a trace, and the fear of the unknown. Cognitive bias plays a big role. People remember the disasters, but forget the thousands of ships and planes that cross the triangle safely every year. The media has fueled this obsession for decades, from 1970s documentaries to recent viral TikToks, reinforcing the mystery with dramatization and selective storytelling. Even movies and novels have embedded the triangle as a supernatural no-go zone. This psychological influence has made the Bermuda Triangle less about geography and more about mythology. The human brain seeks patterns, and where there's mystery, we often insert monsters. That's the power of media. It shapes the way we perceive reality. And in the case of the triangle, it may have created a legend larger than the facts themselves. After decades of speculation, where do we really stand with the Bermuda Triangle? Modern science leans toward natural explanations. Everything from methane gas eruptions creating bubbles that sink ships, to the Gulf Stream's unpredictable current patterns, to sudden weather changes that overwhelm even experienced navigators. GPS blackouts, electromagnetic interference, and human error account for a majority of recorded incidents. But here's the twist. The data shows that the Bermuda Triangle is not statistically more dangerous than any other heavily traveled ocean region. In fact, many disappearances were later found to have logical explanations: mechanical failure, storms, or miscommunication. Yet despite science's clarity, the mystery persists. Why? Because facts rarely defeat legends. The Bermuda Triangle survives not just in stories, but in our collective curiosity, a modern myth shaped by truth, twisted by media, and fueled by the one thing science can't erase: our need to wonder. Whether you believe it's fact or fiction, the Triangle forces us to confront how much we still don't understand about our world, and maybe ourselves. So what do you believe? Is the Bermuda Triangle just an overhyped story, or is there still something lurking beneath the waves that science hasn't yet uncovered? One thing is clear: the mystery lives on, not because of what we know, but because of what we don't. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most enduring enigmas, let us know your thoughts in the comments. What's your theory? Was it all coincidence, or something more? Don't forget to like this video if it sparked your curiosity, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. There's a whole world of wonder out there, and we're just getting started.